A single sneeze rockets out of your mouth at an astonishing 100 miles per hour, transforming into a microscopic air show that reveals a hidden universe teeming with germs. In just a blink, it can launch up to 100,000 tiny droplets into the air, each one a potential vehicle for bacteria and viruses. It's like a high-speed germ tornado, swirling and spreading through the air, invisible yet impactful. The sheer force and speed of a sneeze make it a powerful, unseen force, capable of propelling these invisible hitchhikers across a room in seconds. Imagine the intricate dance of these microscopic particles, a chaotic ballet that plays out in the air around us. This hidden world of germs is a reminder of the unseen battles taking place in every breath and the extraordinary power contained in something as simple as a sneeze.